Hi, Jenna here from Soul Rebels. Today we are filming a workout at our campsite here at Blue Springs State Park. It was a wonderful time of day to do a workout, so thank you for joining me. We're going to start with 2 warm-up exercises, and then we'll go with 3 exercises, upper lower core, and we're going to go through them 3 times. All right, so we're going to start with knee to opposite elbow warm up, and let's do 20 of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. Next warm up, we're going to do just some basic squats. You can hold your hands out in front of you, stick them on your hips, whatever you're comfortable with. We're just going to squat down like you're sitting in a chair. Keep your feet about hip width apart. Stick your butt out like you're sitting in a chair. 20 of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, that wind feels good. 10, 11, 12. Try to keep that chest up. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. Should feel nice and warm. So we're going to start with our first exercise. I need to catch my breath here. Okay, so we're going to start with our first exercise. I also forgot to tell you that today the only equipment that you will need is any kind of sturdy bench. I'm going to be using the picnic table here. Any sturdy bench, any sturdy chair, or any sturdy, like a step stool, something that you know will hold your weight, and that's no higher than knee height. We're going to be doing step ups, and if you need a little extra assistance for balance, you can always, do it next to a wall and kind of hold on to the wall. So we're going to start with step ups. We're going to do 10 on the right side, 10 on the left side. You want to put your foot on the bench, and we are going to keep our right foot on the bench. We're going to go up and come down. Keep that foot on the bench at all times, okay? 10 on the right. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch sides. Catch your breath if you need to. 3, 2, 1. Start with the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. 10. Good. Whew. Those are tough. It's okay if you're breathing heavy. I'm breathing heavy. All right, our second exercise, we're going to work the triceps, the back of the arms. We're going to do tricep dips. Go ahead and sit on your bench or chair or step stool. Position your hands so they're angled a little bit out. And you're going to bend your knees 90-degree angle. This is the easiest way to do it. This is the way that I have to do it. So I have very weak triceps. So you just want to go straight down and up. Try to keep those shoulders back and down. And just bend at the elbow. So we'll do 20 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Try to keep your back and butt close to the bench. 11. You don't want to come way out here like that. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Those are tough as well. Third exercise, this is going to work our core. We're going to hold ourselves on the bench. Get yourself in a nice solid plank position. Okay? Make sure your feet aren't going to slip out from under you so that you're on, something that's not slippery. And you're going to bring your knee to your opposite elbow. Keep that belly button tucked in. We're going to do 20 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. Round 1 done. I hope you're sweating already. I am. Grab a sip of water. Let's move on to round 2. Step ups. Start with the right foot. Okay? We're gonna do 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left side. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. 10. Take a little break, catch your breath. These definitely get the heart rate up. Everything we're doing, try to remember to keep your core activated as best you can. Keep it nice and tight. That's going to support you in every movement that we're doing today. All right, tricep dips. Hands angled out a little. Keep those elbows in close to your side. Don't flail them out like that. All right. Knees at a 90 degree. If you need more of a challenge, you can bring your feet straight out and go straight down. However, I'm not there today, so I'm gonna go with the bent knee. All right, 20, let's go. 1, If you need to take a little break in between, triceps get pretty fatigued quickly, so I'm gonna take a 3 count. 3, 2, 1. Finish the next half. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 2 more. 19, 20. Shake them out. All right, our opposite knee to elbows. High plank position. Keep that core nice and strong. Get that nice straight line. Ready? 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18. 2 more. 19, 20. Round 2 done. Water break. So this is our 3rd set. This is the best set. Okay, everything should be nice and warmed up, nice and pumped. Take advantage of this 3rd set. Make it your best. We'll start with step-ups. Nice tight core. Step up, really try to push off on that front heel. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a couple of seconds here. Move on to the left foot. 10. 1, 2. Really try to control yourself coming down. 3. Don't just drop down with gravity. Try to control it down as you do going up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. 10. Now if you're not holding on to anything, a wall or back of a chair or anything, it's really gonna challenge your balance and stability, which is great, but it does make the exercise a little bit more challenging. All right, tricep dips. Hands angled out, knees bent, straight up and down, just bending at the elbows. Keep them into your sides. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Halfway there. Come on, keep going. 11, 12. It burns, I know. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 3 more. 18, 19. 1 more. 20. Whew. shake it out. Those are always a challenge for me. They will get your triceps nice and sore too, I promise. Okay, our last core exercise, knee to opposite elbow. Straight plank position, 20, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, halfway, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, last one, 20. Good job. I know that was a tough one. That was a tough one for me. Those are the ones that make you feel really good. Thank you for joining me. Please join me next time. I do appreciate it. Have a good day. Bye.